Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that contains the file. Once signed in, open Drive, web or app, so you see your My Drive and Shared with Me. Next, find the item. Use the search bar with file name, owner, or file type to narrow results. Make sure you're selecting the correct version. Duplicate names are common. Once found, pause. This is the point where you prepare to adjust access and create the shareable link. Now you change access and generate the link. Right-click the item or open its menu, then choose Share. In the dialog, use Get Link and pick a role: viewer for read-only, commenter for feedback, editor to allow edits, because permissions control what recipients can do. Next, set visibility. Choose Restricted to limit to people you add or anyone with the link for broad access. Finally, click Copy Link so it's in your clipboard, ready to paste where needed. Finish by pasting the copied link into your message, then tell recipients their expected permission, viewer, commenter, or editor, so they know what to do. Once done, verify that a test recipient can open it. Testing avoids access surprises. If someone sees access denied, either add their email in the share dialog or switch visibility to anyone with the link. Troubleshooting tip: if sharing still fails, confirm your drive storage isn't full.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.